Hey everybody, today we have the Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport, and I just wanted to quickly show you through this boat. This specific 16 Super Sport is outfitted with the split bow rail up here, which makes anchoring a lot easier. Up on the bow area, we have a locker for your anchor and your rode. We have a nice amount of space up here in front of the console and the cooler. We have some grab rails down below. These little stainless steel eyelets are for the front of the bimini to keep it from folding backwards. This is a cooler that comes straight from Boston Whaler with the boat. Unlatch it here. You have access to this insulated cooler with draining. This is a nice spot to add a cooler cushion. Everything on the Super Sport series, it's completely a la carte. So if you just wanted it fiberglass, super durable, low maintenance, keep all of the cushions off. If you want to make it a little bit more comfortable for your passengers, you can get the bow cushion, the cooler cushion. And then when we look back here onto the bench, we have two cup holders separating two different pieces of non-skid on that bench. There are several different seating options on this bench here, okay? When it comes to the console, we have a flip-up storage compartment that is lockable as well. We can also add a windshield on this so that deflects the wind over your head. You have a cup holder. You have your tachometer. You have your light switch here. Great stainless steel steering wheel. We have our cable throttles over there. We have our anchor light and running light mounted to the sidewall there. And then as we come back to the cockpit, we have this nice starboard side storage shelf. Really good to put some Plano boxes, some weights, and then you can store some more stuff underneath there as well. This boat is outfitted with the bimini. That way you have the shade when you need it, when you want it. And of course, we have the 90 horsepower Mercury outboard to make your life super easy, low maintenance, and reliable. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport, just reach out, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.